When manufacturing products that undergo stress, it's important to understand what their breaking point is. That's why in this video, we're going to go over tensile strength and how you can select a material with this in mind. Tensile strength tries to quantify how much force the material can withstand when it's being pulled from both ends. This is essentially the breaking point of the material when that force reaches its maximum. Tensile strength is a great measurement to look at when you want to see if your material can withstand the expected stresses of your application, particularly when used in bonding applications. In adhesive products, tensile strength ensures that the bond will not fail under tension. It helps designers understand the elastic limits of the material and whether it will return to its original shape, also known as the yield point, or it can break entirely if pulled too far. Tensile strength also works in tandem with other factors like compression, shear, and peel strength. All of these factors ensure that your specific product can work under the tensions it can be subjected to in its application. Tensile strength is a functional measurement in flexible materials. There are other functional measurements that you might want to consider, like shear strength or peel strength or compression force. All of these make up a good functional discussion. However, there are other factors like price and availability and how often this material is made that need to be considered when selecting the right material. While tensile strength is an important functional concern, it's not the only concern that you should have when selecting the right material. Partnering with a converter will help ensure the adhesive and other materials align with your needs in your specific project. Remember, when you're thinking about tensile strength, it's only one piece of the puzzle. If you want to learn about other pieces of the puzzle, check out our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.